Namaste everyone, my name is Srikanth and in this video we will learn how to create an assignment to conduct online mid-exam for the student. First visit teams.microsoft.com and sign into your account. Before proceeding, you must have the mid-exam paper as well as the instructions that you want ready here in this files. Now here on the left side, choose the assignments tab. Click on create button and choose assignment. From the list, choose the teams for which you want to create the assignment. Click on next. Create the title which best explains what the assignment is meant for. Then double click on the instructions file, copy all the instructions and paste it here. You may format these instructions using all these options if required. If your questions are just text, the same can be directly typed over here or copy pasted from the note. If however you want it to be visible in the particular format in which you have set it, then you have to create a PDF and the same has to be attached as a resource. So click on add resource button, choose upload from this device and choose the file. Then click open. The file will upload, then click on done. The PDF file will be visible here along with the instructions and any other things you have added. Scroll down, enter the number of points it is meant for and the teams and the students for which it is to be allotted. It is suggested that you keep it allotted to all the students. If you want the assignment to go live as soon as you click on assign, leave everything as it is and just enter the due date and time. If you want to schedule it for later some other day, you have to click on edit, choose the option scheduled in the future and choose the date and time at which the assignment has to go live. The due date has to be chosen after this post date depending on how much time you want the test to be. So I have given 2 hours for the students to complete the test. However, for them to upload it, it takes some time and because of internet issues or something, they may get delayed. If you want them to be able to upload any time, even if it is late, you can just leave this unchecked. But if you want the submission to be stopped after some time, you have to choose this and set after how much time it should be available to upload. So now you can see that I have given a half an hour extra for the students so that even due to internet error or something, if they are unable to load in time, they'll just have it submitted as late submissions and the same will appear when the faculty is viewing it. Once all the options are set, click on the done button. The last option is to choose in which channel this post has to be going. So by default it is going to the general tab. If you want it to be displayed in your particular subject, click on that button and select your subject and then you have to click on done button. So now you can see all the settings and uploads has been done. So we can just click on the scheduled button. The information about the test will be posted in the channel of that particular team at the time of exam and the students will be able to see the same. The assignment will also be visible to the students in their own assignments tab from the assigned column and from here as well they will be able to attempt. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will learn how to create a quiz for the students. Thank you.